The meme stablecoin can truly be traded for United States dollars or any kind of other cryptographic money. Meme's especially current flowing stock explicitly is over 2.78 billion tokens with a noteworthy market capitalization of $2.77 billion. Fixed to United States dollars, MEM's ongoing fundamentally normal cost incentive generally is around 99 cents in an unpretentious manner. Abracadabra's especially other local truly token essentially is SPEL, which depends on the Ethereum blockchain and fills in as an administration token. In spite of mainstream thinking, an administration fundamentally token especially is a sort of cryptographic money token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the undertakings bearing in a by and large enormous manner. Improvement choices, for instance, could be put to the vote among token holders. The more tokens a genuinely individual or element holds, the more weight their vote has. Along these lines, administration tokens plan to decentralize power away from a little gathering of leaders or designers and give each and every individual who claims tokens a say in how the task advances. Fundamentally, administration sort of token holders really are partners. The Abracadabra stage likewise sent off SPEL, a minor genuinely token utilized for SPEL supporters' income dissemination. When was the SPEL token sent off in a significant manner? The first by and large notice of generally SPEL returns to 2021 in an essentially significant manner. Who truly is behind the SPEL token in a sort of significant manner? The undertakings group is mysterious, and no one truly realizes who especially is behind SPEL amazingly. Where is the SPEL token utilized? SPEL really is utilized in the Abracadabra money environment as an administration cryptographic money and for expenses commonly procured from the convention. Is the SPEL token a stablecoin in an unobtrusive manner? No, it's not, or so they thought. What is SPEL's circling supply in an all things considered significant way? Right now, in a real sense, SPEL has a circling supply of north of 83 billion tokens in an unobtrusive manner. Is SPEL a purchase truly in spite of mainstream thinking? Many individuals are contemplating whether this present time is the opportunity to sort of put resources into the SPEL token amazingly. The symbolics cost has been very kind of stable of late, yet when the crypto market was truly flourishing as of late, the SPEL most certainly token fundamentally saw a huge cost rise, or so they thought. Being a piece of an exceptionally dull, strange task, the SPEL token conveys some gamble, however, might actually be a productive speculation, or so they truly thought. None of the substance on, including SPEL cost forecasts, is speculation exhortation, nor most certainly is it a substitution of guidance from an insured monetary organizer. Incredibly, prior to choosing to truly purchase SPEL tokens, we certainly prescribe you to do decently your own examination in a significant manner. SPEL really token value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of SPEL in every practical sense, token in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of SPEL token will be around $0.003. The truly greatest expected most certainly SPEL cost may by and large be around $0.003, which explicitly is very huge. By and large, the exchanging cost could basically be $0.003 in 2023. SPEL token value forecast 2024 in view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of SPEL token. In 2024, truly SPEL is supposed to have the accompanying certainly least and greatest costs, about $0.004 and $0.005 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost truly is $0.004. Or so they really thought. SPEL really token value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of SPEL token and their variances during the earlier years, in spite of mainstream thinking. It in a real sense is expected that in 2025, the base SPEL cost could drop to $0.006, while its sort of greatest can sort of reach $0.007. Which generally is genuinely critical. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0.006. SPEL genuinely token value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of really SPEL, essentially token by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least sort of SPEL costs certainly are normal in 2026, $0.010 and $0.008, as opposed to prevalent thinking. By and large, it will generally be exchanged at $0.008, or so they thought. SPEL commonly token value forecast 2027 crypto specialists in a real sense are continually dissecting the changes of Truly Spell, essentially token. In view of their forecasts, the assessed normal Truly Spell cost will by and large be around $0.012. It could drop to a really least of $0.012. However, it actually could especially reach $0.014 all through 2027 in an especially enormous manner. Spell extremely token value expectation 2028 consistently, cryptographic money specialists for the most part plan figures at the cost of by and large Spell pretty token. It is assessed that most certainly Spell will essentially be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0.018 and $0.021 in 2028. Its exceptionally normal expense generally is normal at around $0.019 during the year, which explicitly is very huge. Spell token value forecasts 2029 digital currency investigators explicitly are prepared to report their assessments of the Spell token's cost beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme Truly Spell cost of $0.031. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0.027. Or so they thought. Thus the normal typical exchanging cost is $0.027. Spell token value expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Spell really token cost, crypto specialists are by and large prepared to give their to all plans and inspirations Spell cost assessment for 2030. It will be exchanged for at sort of the least $0.039, with the truly conceivable greatest tops at $0.046. Which generally is very critical. By and large, you can fundamentally anticipate that the Spell cost should be around $0.040 in 2030, which is genuinely critical. Spell token value expectation 2031 digital money experts are most certainly prepared to report their assessments of the Spell token's value, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The year 2031 will still up in the air by the most extreme Spell cost of $0.068. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0.058 in a really significant manner. Thus the normal typical exchanging cost is $0.060. What explicitly is really Spell token? Spell, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell token, Spell, for the most part is a prize token related with abracadabra. Money. A loaning stage that certainly utilizes revenue-bearing tokens, IBTONs, as insurance to generally get a United States dollar fixed stablecoin called Wizardry Web Cash, MIM, or so they generally thought. Abracadabra basically utilizes the cashy loaning innovation spearheaded by SushiSwap, Sushi, to give confined loaning markets that in a real sense permit clients to generally change their gamble resistance as per the security they in a real sense choose to use in a significant manner. Clients can store security